Hey, my furniture folks. Let's take this roadside piece of dresser garbage, flip it, and pay my student loans for this month. I snagged up this dresser, brought it home, and then realized that I believe these poles are original, which makes it that much more special. I slapped down a solid amount of citrus strip and covered it with saran wrap. And the reason you cover it with saran wrap is to help try to keep it all moist and locked in. And then when you start seeing this amazing bubble, which is so satisfying, you know that it's working and everything is getting stripped down. Then the real fun begins because you get to scrape it back and hopefully get a peek at what that real wood underneath, or hopefully real wood, looks like and see what you're working with. It's kind of like reverse icing a cake. It's great. And this is what was hiding underneath. It wasn't awful, but it definitely wasn't great either, which, I mean, what did I expect picking something off the side of the road? I mean, seriously. I filled all of the gaps and holes and dings with wood putty and a putty knife, just really pushing it in there to try to give it a proper repair. Now let's give these cute little poles a full glow up. Every single furniture restore or furniture flipper is going to give you a different method to get this old chipped yucky paint off of these poles. My favorite is the old Crockpot method. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this: use a different crock pot or pan or pot, whatever you're using to get this paint off your poles or handles. Use a different one than what you use to cook for your family. There can be toxic lead in this paint that you're trying to boil off of these poles and handles. And the last thing you would want to do, hopefully, is make your family really, really sick. After a few hours, come back and look how nicely that paint just falls off. It's fantastic. And all the while, I am overdoing something else, either with my family or on this project piece. After 2 coats of penetrating wood stain, these drawers are looking great. I just turn the drawer on its side and bring down that stain onto the dovetail. And this is just what I think looks nice. It helps give it a clean look, in my opinion. On this channel, we are transparent, so I made a mistake and I should have tested these poles for brass prior to putting them in the crock pot, but I didn't. So I did end up painting them. They still turned out beautiful, but hindsight's 2020. I quickly did 2 coats of shellac just to seal in those tannins from that really dark wood, and then painted it this beautiful blue color. I really enjoy waxing the drawers as my very last step prior to being completely done. It just helps the drawers slide in and out really easily. That's usually one of the first questions that buyers ask is, how do the drawers work? So it's always nice to be able to say, well, they're freshly waxed and they're ready for you to slide in and out all you want. This drawer bottom also had a slight bit of wear, but not enough to actually replace the bottom of the drawer, so I just waxed there as well. Just a quick reminder that this is where we started with this dresser. And this is where we ended up. Was able to restore the drawers to their beautiful natural wood tone and still pay homage to that original blue, just with a much more moodier color. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down in the comment section. See you next time.